supersets, trisets. You have probably heard of these things if you're watching this video. So are they worth the hype, or they are just useless, or maybe if they are good, if they are bad for muscle building or fat loss? So whatever the confusion is, let's just watch this video and clear it out. So firstly, what is a superset? A superset is something when you do two exercises back to back without taking any rest in between, or taking a 1 or 2 second rest in between, because then you have to drop your weight and go to the other machine or whatever. So without any rest in between, so you do it back to back without letting your muscles recover from the set. So I guess that makes sense. And triset is something when you do 3 exercises instead of 2 exercises back to back without any rest in between. While doing supersets, there can be a number of combinations when you do the exercise. Have seen people are doing right now is that they are mixing 2 of the muscles together. If I'm working out my shoulders, then I would do a side lateral and a front lateral raise together. This is one type of thing. The second type comes when you do opposite muscles, like you are doing a lat pull down, then you're going and doing chest press. This is called as agonist muscles, like the opposite muscles, and this is the thing you should be doing for more results. But anyways, we'll come back to that later, because then we should know that it's better for you or not. Anyways, I just wanted to give you a short description of what it is. Now let's move forward with the part where how do they work, what do they do, are they useful or not. So there have been some studies, guys, where it is shown that it does help in burning more calories. This is because when you are already tired of one exercise and then you're jumping to the other, the intensity level goes up, your heart rate also goes up. You don't get the time for your heart rate to come down, relax, and instead of doing that, you're jumping straight to the exercise. So your heart rate is up all the time, which is a plus for burning calories, losing fat. So that's that. Then for muscle building, it is said that it will increase your lifting weights over time. It will increase your 1 rep max. So is about the study. But now let's dig into the theory. Do they work? Do they work? Should you do it or not? So guys, they definitely work. If you see my previous workouts on YouTube, I have also used 2 or 3 supersets in between. But this type of training, if you're doing the whole exercise based on this supersetting or trisetting, and you are continuing it for a lifetime, I wouldn't recommend it, because what happens is, guys, your body is really adaptive. You need to keep changing things up, as I have always told you to do that. For a change, if you're trying this superset, triset, then it's okay, it's fine. But you can't continue it for months and months together. What I would recommend you guys to do is that mix and match the thing. Don't put the whole workout together in a superset kind of thing. You do your compound movements the way you do it normally, and then the isolation movements you can do supersets and trisets. It will cut down on your time. It will also change things up for you, and it will also burn you more calories. And the main lifts will be the main lifts, because superset reduces your performance. Guys, think logically. It is very good, has research and whatever the hell is that, but if you are doing 2 compound movements, say for example a lat pull down and a chest press, and together, don't you think that you will be tired from that lat pull down, and you would definitely reduce your weight in the chest press, because your muscles are worked up already, and then you're, without taking any rest, jumping on to the next exercise. So obviously you would decrease your weights on that exercise. And I have always told you, whether it's fat loss, whether it's muscle building, you need to lift heavy and you need to progressive overload. And this type of training decreases the performance overall. So I wouldn't recommend you to do it on the bigger lifts. If you want to do it for fat burning reasons and for time crunch, then you can do it, but do it for isolation movements and also for like the end exercises. So it will benefit you because it's something new. Your body is not used to having this type of workout. It has a lot of benefits of burning calories, cardiovascular health, and it also increases, as I have told you, that the studies show that it also increases the muscle endurance over time. You can regularly do it for 1 or 2 exercises, which is in the end, which is only the isolation part. So if that you're doing, then it's fine. So I hope I have answered your question right, how you should be incorporating it in your workouts. So I guess that's the video. And if you guys got something out of the video, make sure to like the video, subscribe to my channel if you already haven't. Also click the bell button, which is also a very important factor. Share this video with your friends, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye guys.